Have you ever thought about growing your own edible mushrooms at home? It's a concept brimming with benefits. Imagine the cost-effectiveness, the freshness, and the control over what goes into your food. Growing edible mushrooms at home is a simple process that anyone can do. Firstly, you need to understand the basics of mushroom growing. Mushrooms thrive in a moist, dark environment. From oyster to shiitake, there's a variety of mushrooms you can cultivate at home. Your toolkit should include a growing kit, mushroom spores of your choice, and a spray bottle for water. The growing kit provides the perfect environment. The spores are the seeds of your future mushrooms, and the spray bottle will help maintain the necessary moisture. With these basic elements, you're ready to start your mushroom growing journey. Now, let's delve into the step-by-step process of growing your own edible mushrooms. Our first step is to prepare the growing medium. This is usually a blend of organic materials like straw or wood chips. You'll need to soak this medium in boiling water. This process pasteurizes the medium, killing off any unwanted organisms that could compete with your mushrooms. Once your medium is cool, it's time for step 2. Inject your chosen mushroom spores into the medium. This can be a delicate process, but don't worry. With a little practice, you'll become a pro. Next, place your inoculated medium in a dark, humid environment. A cupboard or a basement can work perfectly for this. Remember to spray your medium with water daily to maintain humidity. Patience is key in our final step. You'll need to wait for your mushrooms to grow, which usually takes a few weeks. And there you have it, your very own homegrown edible mushrooms. Growing your own mushrooms at home is a rewarding experience. You enjoy fresh, healthy food and the satisfaction of nurturing life. Remember the steps we've discussed, and soon you'll be a mushroom maestro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.